Hello there, and welcome back for the last three problems of this exam. I left off with number 7, so I'm just going to go to a blank page and let's try number 8. A data set has values 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 with frequencies 2, 1, 4, 2, 3 respectively. What is the mean of this data set? Well, the word respectively means that I have to do some matching up. So let me show you how I would approach that. You don't have to do it this way, but this will help you to visualize what they want you to see. So my data set, let's go back to handwriting mode. It says the data set has values of 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10 respectively. And what the respectively means is that you match the frequency in the same order. So here we're looking at a frequency table. 2 goes with the 5. The 6 was in there once, 4 times on the 8, 2 times on the 9, and 3 times on the 10. So 2, 1, 4, 2, and 3 match up to that data set. That is the frequency. And that's important because we have to use that frequency to calculate the mean. So we have the data and we have the frequency table. Okay, to set up your mean, you're going to first need to count up. Let me follow the same pattern because we're looking for the mean. All right, so we have a 5 that was in there 2 times. That's 5 2 times. And then we have a 6 that was in there 1 time. The 6 was in there 1 time. We have an 8 that was in there 4 times. So that would be the mode if they were asking. There were more of those than anything else. And then we have a 9 that was only in there 2 times. Oops. I'm running out of colors. And then we have a 10 that was in there 3 times. So you've got all of your frequencies, all of your data set ready to add up. How do we find the bottom number? To get that, you're going to count the tally marks. So we have 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm just counting up those tally marks. There were 12 of them. Okay, let me zoom in just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 1 is 6. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 2 is 18. And 10 times 3 is 30. So I'm going to add up that row that I just found. 10 plus 6 plus 32 plus 18 plus 30. And I've got 96 when I add up all of that. This problem's a double-decker. So we have 96 divided by 12, and that will give us our mean. 96 divided 12 will give you 8 as your mean. And that would be option A, I think. Yes, answer A. That is not an easy problem, guys. Understanding a frequency table will help. Okay, number 9. A certain website is hoping to have at least 5,000 page views per week on average. So far, the website has had 2,200 views last week and 3,100 views this week. What is the minimum number of views that the website needs to receive this week to obtain its goal over a 3-week period? So we know we're dealing with average. You guys know how to set one of those up. And we do know the average that they want. They want to have at least 5,000. So this time we know our average. We also know that we're looking at a 3-week interval. So we just need to add up the weeks. So we have first week, second week, and I'm going to let this be T for third week because that's going to factor into our average. So the first thing I need to do is to combine those two. 2,200 and 3,100 is 5,300 plus the third week is 5,000, but we still have that 3 down there. So to get rid of that, let's multiply both sides of the equation by 3, and that will take care of it here. So you're left with 5,300 plus the third week would be 15,000 views. So let's do 5,300 off both sides. So that third week is going to have 9,700 hits for this to work. That is a lot of hits, but it's not impossible. All right, number 10. What is the median of the following data set? We have 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and 144. And we need to find the median, which is the middle. So let's count them. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the middle would be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here is your median. That's the middle line. So it's somewhere between 8 and 13. And to find out where it is, we need to say 8 plus 13 is 21. And 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. So the median for that data set is 10.5. 10.5 is the exact middle of the data set. Okay, hopefully you did well on this exam. I think if you can do these problems, you are in great shape for any exam that you need to take. All right, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.